My line command allows me to create a series of continuous line segments, and each segment can be edited independently. I can start this by using the line icon on the tool panel. I can enter from the keyboard line, or I can use the keyboard alias of L to start a line. So I'm going to enter L as the alias, and it wants me to specify my first point. I can enter this as absolute coordinates, or I can use an object snap and any traditional method to start my line command. I'm going to click on the screen, and now it prompts me for a second point. Notice that my dynamic input is active. I'm going to click for a second point, and then it prompts me for the next endpoint of my next line segment. I can continue to draw line segments as long as the command is active. Now the options that I have are available. I can either use the down arrow to show me the options that I can use, or I can right click the mouse to see what my command options are. Notice that if you from the right mouse menu, you can hit enter to end the command, you can cancel the command, and you can also choose to repeat recent input that you've put in. I can close, which will take me back to the starting point of this line segment so that all of the line segments are connected together in a continuous loop, or I can undo. If I choose the undo, it just undoes the last line segment that I drew and allows me to redraw it. So I can continue to draw line segments. If I take the close option, it sends me back to my starting point and ends the command. In looking at the line segments that were drawn, you notice that each one of these is an independent line segment and can be edited separately from the rest. So if I click on this line segment, I can erase just that particular one. Now after I've completed all of the line segments in one line command, if I right click and choose undo line, after the command is ended, it will undo all of the segments created during that one line sequence. So it acts differently than if you use undo during the command, which only undoes the last line segment.